Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. First, let me put out the disclaimer. It is an art video, so if you guys love art, then let's go ahead and dive into the video. I have been painting on and off since 3.5 years. I call myself YouTube trained and self-taught artist. My painting journey will be another video altogether. Portrait painting was something I always wanted to try my hands on from really long time, but I couldn't muster up the courage because it's high risk zone. When you paint a portrait, it should resemble the reference picture, unlike landscape where you can take some liberty. So I was procrastinating indefinitely. Recently, Suhas took an interest in portrait sketching and the outcome was mind-blowing. His work inspired me to try portrait painting, and add to that, my son's 3rd birthday was just around the corner. So what better gift than a portrait of him into which I have put my heart and soul. I just had 3 weeks until his birthday. Since I wanted an uninterrupted time to paint, I decided to wake up at 5 in the morning. It's been a habit ever since. I used to spend nearly 2 to 4 hours every day. It was a meditative experience. Picking a reference picture was easy breezy because it's one of my favorite pictures of my boy. Once the picture was finalized, I just dived in. I drew the picture and painted the outline. It took a long time because it's a crucial stage. If the drawing doesn't resemble the reference picture, then you are doomed from day one itself. When I was done with the outline, I was pretty impressed, and out of excitement, I posted the picture on our Insta page at creative_kines. Since I committed on Insta that I'll be posting the final outcome on his birthday, there was no turning back now. Once I was done with drawing, next step was blocking the colors. After blocking the colors, I started with complex part, which is face, capturing the values, meaning how dark or light an area should be. Working on the skin tone was challenging. It's always a trial and error method. I decided to go with pink skin tone. Yes, pink. Don't even ask me what was my thought process behind it. I am clueless. As I progressed, pink skin tone was looking great. The painting was coming out well, but I wasn't happy with the skin tone. It looked more Caucasian. So I decided to brown it to match the Indian complexion. Working on face was a complex and never-ending task. I was never satisfied, especially with the eyes. His eyes has undergone innumerable corrections until I felt enough. If I mess with it more, then I'm definitely going to ruin it. Rest of the painting was easy. I just had to play with light and dark areas and work on the detailing. I started working on this portrait on August 22nd, 2020 and completed it on September 4th, 2020. Altogether, I must have spent 40 hours on this piece. So, as you can see, the painting is not perfect in any means and there is a huge room for improvement. but for me, the entire experience was out of the world and rewarding. Looking at how the features were shaping out was mesmerizing. So, yeah, that's my first portrait painting journey. I hope you guys loved this experience as much as I did. If you liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up and share it amongst your friends. If you guys liked our content enough, then please do subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye guys.